Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the anatomy of the human skull. From its intricate bones to the sutures that hold it all together, get ready to uncover the secrets of what lies beneath the surface. Let's begin. So what exactly is human skull? The human skull is a complex bony structure that forms the head and provides protection, support, and structure to the brain and sensory organs. It is composed of 22 bones, which are grouped into two main categories. 1. Cranial bones, 8 bones. 2. Facial bones, 14 bones. So let's start with 8 cranial bones. Frontal bone, 1. Forms the forehead and the roof of the eye sockets. Parietal bones, 2. Form the upper sides and roof of the cranium. Temporal bones, 2. Located at the sides and base of the skull, housing structures of the inner and middle ear. Occipital bone, 1. Forms the back and base of the skull, containing the foramen magnum, an opening through which the spinal cord passes. Sphenoid bone, 1. A butterfly-shaped bone at the base of the skull, helping to connect various cranial bones. Ethmoid bone, 1. A light, spongy bone between the eyes, contributing to the nasal cavity and orbital structure. So these are the 8 cranial bones. Up next, the 14 facial bones. Mandible, 1. The lower jawbone, the only movable bone of the skull. Maxillae, 2. Form the upper jaw and part of the eye sockets. Zygomatic bones, 2. Also called cheekbones. Nasal bones, 2. Form the bridge of the nose. Lacrimal bones, 2. Small bones located near the inner corners of the eyes. Palatine bones, 2. Form part of the hard palate and nasal cavity. Inferior nasal conchae, 2. Curved bones inside the nasal cavity. Vomer, 1. Forms part of the nasal septum. Cranial sutures. The sutures of the skull are immovable, fibrous joints that connect the bones of the skull. They play a crucial role in the growth and development of the skull during childhood and provide structural stability in adulthood. There are 4 sutures in cranium. First, coronal suture. Second, sagittal suture. Third, lambdoid suture. 4th, squamous sutures. Coronal suture. Location: between the frontal bone and the 2 parietal bones. Appearance: runs horizontally across the top of the skull from ear to ear. Sagittal suture. Location: between the 2 parietal bones. Appearance: runs vertically along the midline of the skull from the front to the back. Lambdoid suture. Location: between the occipital bone and the 2 parietal bones. Appearance: shaped like an inverted V or arch at the back of the skull. Squamous sutures. Location: between the temporal bones and the parietal bones. Appearance: found on either side of the skull, running roughly above the ear. Key functions of the skull. Protection. The skull safeguards the brain, eyes, ears, and other vital organs. Structure. It provides shape to the head and face. Attachment. Serves as a point of attachment for muscles involved in chewing, facial expressions, and head movement. Passages. Contains openings, foramina, that allow nerves, blood vessels, and the spinal cord to pass. Here is the 3-dimensional structure of skull and its parts for your understanding. And that's a wrap on the incredible anatomy of the human skull, a structure that's as fascinating as it is essential. From its 22 bones to the intricate sutures, it's a true masterpiece of design. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the human skull, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about human anatomy and beyond. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to explore next. Until then, this is Shady signing off. Keep learning and stay curious.